This is a nice old Epilän Konepaja elevator.
Kehuuta.
Battery. Built in 1961, E485.
What's the address?
Ja Keskusaukio 1 in Kuusankoski, Kouvola.
It's amazing.
Very amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the
Best basement.
Cool. This is my first video with the S9. Amazing. Yes. 3 rides probably.
Yeah.
Yes. I want to press the button next time.
Inspected by Elspeth and maintained by also nowadays practice and
Yeah.
photo.
The guy was a little bit strange. Like a freight
wait.
elevator. I want to press it. Awesome. Just awesome. Here's the river. The floor is similar as freight elevators usually.
This is a first elevator.
Basically. And there's the emergency exit to the roof.
What? Oh.
It has new handrail. So 10 persons, so 800 kilograms.
Oh, it is a first elevator because there's no that safety thing.
Yeah.
Or mixed use.
No, it's a first elevator
Oh.
because it doesn't have that thing. Mutta ei vedä turvakynnys.
Really nice actually to have so big elevator in the and so old.
Yeah.
I'll take pictures of this one.
One.
Yeah.
Oh, it actually runs in lower speed than usual.
That's it.
That's
That's